Now, who was that calling 28, man? That blackbird kind of got my ears bent back. He's talking to 222. But I heard someone coming back to 28, and I'm reading this mail. Let's talk about it. Let's try that one more time, man. I'm kind of waiting on some Mother Nature to fall on this baby Mobile. Mobile. Ain't got no base station. I'm working this baby Mobile in Chicago. 28 Mobile on the mail.
Down Chicago. Around Chicago, 591 with all the audio. 591, don't have nothing but audio. 591 with your audio.
Hey, right there, right now, 591. If I can get it back, I know the big boys are out here right now. But I'm trying to do the best I can do with this little baby Mobile. 591, if you got a sloppy copy. 28 Mobile, got down.
In that Mobile get down, 591. See, I got your audio, but it'll be tough, man. The boy may be hard on your automobile, no doubt. Oh, 591, Kangaroo around Baton Rouge, Louisiana, standing by.
Yeah, 591, 28 Mobile. Hello, 591, if I can get it back, 28 and more, 28 Mobile, got down.
You stroking there, Mobile.
I appreciate it, 591. I kind of been waiting on some Mother Nature, man. I ain't got the best conditions around Chicago right now. I'm kind of sitting around waiting on some Mother Nature. Mr. 591, I hope I don't make you strain your ears, but I'm trying to get this little baby Mobile smack dab in the middle of the road. 591, if you got a sloppy copy. 28 Mobile, got down. And I got it all because you said it all, 591. Hope I can make it back. You say I got good audio? Well, I appreciate the roses. You save some of them roses for yourself, Mr. 591. I appreciate you taking the time to wave your hand, let me know I got a little bit of Mother Nature. Hope I can get it back, Mr. 591. 28 Mobile. Ain't got no base station. Just working this baby Mobile, and I got down. Bye, 591. Take it easy, take care. Got a little rough and tough that time around. Got 2 or 3 all keying up at one time, but I did hear you, Mr. 591. Take it easy, take care. Appreciate the Q show. 28's Mobile, sitting back reading this mail.
10-10, you take care also, man. Where you go?
I'm right here, man. I got this baby Mobile smack dab in the middle of the road. Who was that looking for 28? Is that you, Mr. Clean? Is that what you said? Break, come on, let's talk about it.
Blackbird. Hey, 28, they call me Blackbird. I'm in New Orleans. 28 Mobile, Blackbird, New Orleans, looking for.
Oh, hello, my long-lost friend, Mr. Blackbird, singing in the dead of night. I got you that time, Mr. Blackbird. If you got a sloppy copy, they call me 28. I'm working this Mobile. I heard you that time around. Let's talk about it.
Man, we're in Chicago talking to Switchblade. to me.
Hey, Blackbird, I got rough and tough that time around. I hope I didn't mash your thumb. Hey, Blackbird, I hope I can get it back, and I hope I didn't mash your thumb because it got rough and tough around Chicago that time around. But I did hear you in there, and I wanted to wave my hand while I can. Mr. Blackbird, if you got a sloppy copy, your friend, 28, 28, 28, Mobile, Chicago, Mobile, gone.
Hey, 28. Hey, 28, you all play me in New Orleans with your Mobile, 28, 28, Mobile, Chicago, Blackbird, New Orleans.
I got it all that time. Hey, Blackbird, I got it all because you said it all. Appreciate the roses. You saved something for yourself, man. It's rough and tough around Chicago, but I heard you that time. No two ways about it, Blackbird. It's been a pleasure with a double measure, no doubt about it. I haven't talked to you in about a year. Hey, Blackbird, you're sounding good as always, so save some of them roses for yourself. I hope I can get it back without making you strain your ears. Blackbird, if you got a sloppy copy at 28, Mobile, Mobile, Mobile's gone. Blackbird, someone's trying to crawl up your back, man. I couldn't make it out who it was. Hey, Blackbird, watch your back, man. You got 2 or 3 of them trying to crawl right up the backside. No doubt about it. Take it easy, Blackbird. I hope I can get it back. 28, Mobile, Mobile, Chicago, gone.
Hey, 28, 2.
Hey, Blackbird, I heard a train driver, I think he said train driver. He's trying to climb up your back. And a 223, I believe it, I heard in there too. I could hear 3 at one time. Hey, Blackbird, watch your back, man. They're trying to crawl right up your backside. Mr. 223, I believe it was. And that train driver, I'm trying to read this mail with this baby Mobile, Mobile, Mobile got down.
I said 220.
Oh, you must have went to go on. You must, hey, good Lord, Nicole, you must have went over to 222. I heard you say train driver, I think, and 229, I think you said. I hope I got it right that time around. I sure hope I got it done the numbers right that time around. 229 and train driver mixing at the same time. And of course, Blackbird, he went over to 222, I believe. But I'm working this baby Mobile, Mobile, Chicago, and I'm gone now. Hey, Blackbird, you don't worry about that base station, man. I ain't got nothing but a Mobile. Hey, Blackbird, don't you worry about that 222, because I'm going to make him go to the pump house with this baby Mobile, Mobile, Mobile. Hey, Blackbird, don't worry about that 222, because he's got that big old base station. I'm going to make him pump it up. Just take a look at this baby Mobile while I got a smack dab in the middle of the road. 28, 28, 28 gone. Bye, train driver. Bye, 229. Bye, train driver. Bye, 229. I can talk to both of you at the same time. You're making sound like a bunch of bees, no doubt about it. Take it easy, train driver, and 229. If you got a sloppy copy, 28 Mobile, 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 Chicago is gone.
Bye, 28, 28.
Bye, 229. I heard you into that time too. I heard you train driver, no doubt about it. I'm still trying to plug that blackbird's ears, man, because I had a QSO going and that 222 took my QSO. I don't appreciate that. I got this baby mobile smack dab in the middle of the road, and that 222 big old base station took my QSO from Blackbird. I don't appreciate that. 28 mobile, still rocking this mail. He did a good job that time around, train driver, no doubt about it. Hey, train driver, you did a good job that time around, no two ways about it. 28 in this mobile, smack dab in the middle of the road. Got down, got down. Bye, train driver. Appreciate the QSO. You have a good day, too. What's left of the weekend? 28's mobile back reading his mail.
You got up, I got down. One more time, 20. When you got up, I got down. Let you know how you do. Have a good day. I got that.
And a bump and a click.
I'm down here in Georgia. Hey, 28, 229. They want you to make me talk to your radio. Make you talk to your radio. Hey, 28, 229. Got down.
Hey, 229, that's all I do is talk to my radio. I'm a skip junkie, I'll guarantee you that. Hey, 229, I talk to my radio. Let's talk about it. Then Roger, right on, 229. Okay, no problem there, man. Hey, I talk to my radio. I got the Watergate rolling too, no two ways about it, Mr. 229. If you got a sloppy copy, 28 Mobile said that, and I'm reading this mail. I heard someone else in the backwoods of Georgia, but that was after 229 got off the mall. I'll guarantee it. And that train driver's trying to put some weight on him, man. Sound like a bunch of bees that time around. I'll guarantee it. I can't even make it out. But I'm going to read this mail while I got this Watergate rolling. 28 Mobile, smack dab in the middle of the road. Got down, got down. Hey, 229 train driver, I'm gonna have to say goodbye, man. I can't make nothing out no more. I got some big boys throwing some dead keys or something. I don't know what in the world's going on. I'm gonna sit back and read this mail, see what Mother Nature's gonna do about it. 28 Mobile, Chicago on the mail. Oh, is that you again, Blackbird? Hey, Blackbird, are you the one cleaning up my receiver again, break? Hey, Blackbird, they ain't gonna let me talk, man. Every time I squeeze this trigger, they're gonna run me over with them big base stations. Hey, Blackbird, was that you calling 28? Let's talk about it. Hey, Blackbird, I didn't say Tiger Paw. Who in the world's Tiger Paw? Hey, Blackbird, I was talking to you. I don't like when they take my cue, so that's rude. Hello, Blackbird, 28 Mobile, Chicago, gone.
You better be glad I got enough punch. I told 5 more years, man. No doubt about it. Oh, 28 Mobile. That Mobile is... Boy, Iron Mike, you get about a peacemaker. Ain't gonna be no goddamn peacemaker, Iron Mike. Iron Mike, you can get about a peacemaker.
I heard you that time, Blackbird. Okay, it's rough and tough in Chicago right now, man. Hope I didn't mash your thumb. But I heard you that time around. Mother Nature must be dipping and dabbing and shucking and jiving, no doubt about it. Hey, Blackbird, hope I can get it back. Hope you don't have to strain your ears. Let me put my foot in the throttle a little bit more. Hey, Blackbird, 28, 28, 28, baby, Mobile, Mobile, Mobile. I ain't got no base station tonight. I'm working my baby Mobile smack dab in the middle of the road, and I'm gone now. Bye, Blackbird. I'm gonna say goodbye. Step wide to the side one last time. 28, 28 Mobile, Mobile, Mobile. Ain't got no base station. Blackbird, 28 Mobile waved, and I'm gone now.
My trailblazer in the book, I sang my side, I'm right back.